here is Hands to the Heavens in the Key of C by Kari Jobe. I hope you love this one as much as I love it. As always, check on the description of this video because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. All right, in the key of C, we have 3 main chords, C, F, G, and then we have an A minor. So here is our A minor we're going to start with since the verse starts with that. A minor is A, C, E. Then our F chord follows that in the verse. F, A, C. C chord, hop up here. C, E, G. And then our G chord right here. G, B, D. So if you take a look at that, our F chord is right here. G and A minor is right next door. So it's just stair steps up. And then our C is right here. All right, so when our right hand is playing chords, our left hand, I'm just gonna do some simple single notes. Okay, so you can line up pinky on F, line up your 5 fingers, don't move this hand the entire song. That way you can just focus more on the chording in the right hand. All right, so when we play an A minor up here, play an A down here in the bass. Single note, A to A. F to F, C to C, and you guessed it, G to G. Okay, the rhythm that we can do is kind of a together, right, and sometimes you could just go together, like you're just gonna block the chords, okay? So what I mean here is verse 1, we are your church, you could just block that. We are your sons and daughters. Okay, so that goes through A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C, and then G, okay? We are your church. A minor, F, C. We've gathered here to meet with you. Boom, okay? Verse 2, you could do that same exact thing. There's just repetition through the verses. Chorus is when we can pick up a little instrumental. So we can go, with our hands to the heavens alive, in your presence, oh God. When you come, together, right, so pour out your spirit, we love to be near you, oh God. Together, when you come. Okay, the intro that you can use is the same as the instrumental. You could just go through that A minor, F, C, A minor, F, and C. Okay, then verse 3 is a repeat. The bridge is really simple. Oh, I forgot, it threw in a little D minor here. So here's the D minor. We're already at the C, and here is a D minor. Here's D, F, A. Come like a rushing wind, A minor, C. Come like the fire again, G, D minor. Come like a burning flame, have your way, end on that G. And you can repeat that bridge over and over if you want, and then go back into the chorus. So let me just go through that bridge one more time. Come like a rushing wind, come like the fire again, D minor. Come like a burning flame, have your way, have your way. Okay, and then it can go into the chorus if you want. With our hands to the heavens alive, in your presence, oh God, when you move, and so on, okay? All right, I'm gonna play it from beginning to end, and you can join me. I think you're gonna have a lot of fun with this song. Here we go. We are your church. We are your sons and daughters. We've gathered here to meet with you. We lift our eyes you come, so pour out your Spirit. We love to be near you, oh God. When you come, with our hands to the heavens, alive in your presence, oh God. When you come, so pour out your Spirit. We love to be near you, oh God. When you come. With our hands to the heavens, alive in your presence, oh God. When you come, so pour out your Spirit.